Undeniably elegant and glamorous ang GMA Gala fit ng mga Kapuso stars and personalities na inirampa nila sa blue carpet. Para ma-achieve yan, all out din ang kanilang paghahanda na ipinasilip pa nila sa kanilang Get Ready With Me videos. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
From Paris to Manila, literal na work of art ang atake ni Kapuso global fashion icon Heart Evangelista nang irampa sa blue carpet ng GMA Gala this weekend ang kanyang couture Schiaparelli gown. Definitely made with love and style ang hand-painted gown na grabe rin ang attention to detail. Sharp looks, smooth moves. Ang Get Ready With Me video ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards, highlighting his custom black velvet suit, designer shoes, and luxury watch. Veering from the traditional suit naman si Kapuso Prime action hero Ruro Madrid, wearing a champagne satin suit with brooch accent and fringe belt. Living up to his caption na beyond the spotlight, I move with purpose. Giving clues daw ang kanyang look sa kanyang next project. Scene stealer din on her own ang other half ng Ruka na si Sangretera Bianca Umali, oozing with style and confidence siya with her stunning two-piece ensemble made of capis and pinya, flaunting her toned abs. Giving bold moment naman ang GRWM video ni Sangre Flamara Faith de Selva, featuring her red gown and short hair. Painting the town red literally and figuratively ang another lady in red na si Barbie Forteza, flaunting her latex bloody red gown and flowy cape, pati nails and shoes in sync sa monochromatic look. Ang close friend ni Barbie na si Kailin Alcantara, shinare din how she got ready hanggang sa pagrampa sa blue carpet with her intricate gown. Itinanghal si Kailin as GMA Gala 2025 Best Dressed. From the shower to the gala naman ang smoldering na paandar ni Sparkle Hunk Royce Cabrera. Comfortable yet classic ang iflex na look ni Isabel Ortega for this year's gala, wearing a classic Monique Lhuillier blush gown. Very dapper din ang kanyang gala date na si Miguel Tan Felix in an all-black suit. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa kanilang moments before stepping into the spotlight ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition Kapuso Housemates. But the best Get Ready With Me video goes to Kapuso Royal couple Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera.
I feel good.
With special participation pa ng kanilang mga anak na sina Zia at Sixto. Halos 3 million views na ang kanilang video. Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.